Hey party people, this is Zach from visionswell.com, products and principles for a simple, serene life. Today, I have a little unboxing video for you. I just picked up this Cudis smart ring. It's an AI-driven smart ring that allows you to do health tracking through their little application. So I just picked this up and I wanted to go through an unboxing and show you how I set this ring up for the first time so you can decide if this ring is something that you would use in your own health tracking. As you know, I prioritize one bag only, oftentimes personal item only travel, and something like this is great for me to save some space. Instead of using the Apple Watch that I typically use, I have a ring-based app and health tracker that I can use to track my steps, track my heart rate, track my sleep, and also have an AI assistant that helps me give tips on my wellness and overall health. Because it takes up so much less space than an Apple Watch. While an Apple Watch is not huge, but a ring is even smaller and I can wear it on my finger, I wanted to check this thing out. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. If you look at the outside of the box, it's a nice professional looking black box. It has an embossed logo for Cudis on it, as you can see on the front. So let's see what's inside. If I lift this lid off, you can see the ring right here. I'll pull that out. And the ring itself is a nice little titanium ring. It has these little notches inside that correspond with the charging box that comes with it. And I got mine in size 11. I have pretty big hands. It's a nice little dark colored black titanium ring, and it seems like it's very high quality. Let's see what else is inside the box. So you have some literature from Cudis itself. It says, embrace your wellness journey, own your health data. And that's kind of one of the selling points here, is that because it's through blockchain, they don't have a subscription service and they don't take your data. You own all your data that's processed through the app and you don't have to worry about privacy concerns like you may with other products. If you look inside this little pamphlet here, it gives you kind of an overview of the stuff that comes with it. You have the little charging box, the ring, and then a picture of the app here, as well as a QR code to download the app. The app is available on both the iOS and Android stores, so you should be able to get it no matter what type of phone you use. And then you just have the little Cudis logo on the back here. Also in the box is this little Cudis branded USB-C charging cable. So it's a flat USB-C charging cable. And it comes nicely coiled and organized here. If you pull it out, you can see you have a decent length USB-C cable that has flat ends that can fit into a charging port as well as in the back of the little charging box. So I'll put that to the side. Then at the bottom of the box, you just have the little charging box. So this box is what you put your ring in. It has little notches at the top so that it can only fit one way. As you can see in the bottom here, it says that it's size 11 right at the top here. And you can fit your ring inside. Here's the ring. And see how these little notches correspond with the notches in the ring? It allows you to put it in only one way. And then it fits in, you close it up, you use this little USB-C port at the back, you plug it into this cable, and you plug the other end of the cable into a charging port, and then you can easily charge up this ring for use. They say that it lasts about 10 days on one charge. I haven't yet tried that, but I'll see how long it lasts and report back in future videos. But yeah, it comes in a nice, neat little package. Let's see if there's anything else in this box. It's just a holder for the charging box. And there's nothing else. That's all that's inside this box. As to how it fits on my hand, if you look, I'll put it over my ring finger. It fits perfectly. It doesn't go anywhere. It feels nice. It doesn't feel bulky or chunky or press into my hand when I close with a tight grip. So it's a really comfortable ring. I could see myself wearing this for long periods of time. So I really like the overall feel and aesthetic look of this ring. So let's get into how you set it up in the app and how you pair this thing. So this is the Cudis app. You can see that I've already set up my account as VisionSwell. It says, hi VisionSwell, ready to take on the day. And it has this little greeting screen that has a lot of the different things and features that you can use with the Cudis ring. So it has pairing my Cudis ring, connecting to an app. It's asking me how I'm feeling today as far as my energy level. There's an activity level metric. There's a sleep metric, heart rate, steps, and then at the bottom here, you can go into the AI coach, go into your health points, or go into your profile here and see all the different features that you have within. The AI coach, I know once you set it up, you're able to talk to this AI coach and it'll give you tips on your wellness. It'll track your progress over time and give you some suggestions on how you can improve your sleep and your activity score and ask you how you're feeling every day. The health points is something that will come over time where there's a way that this app can give you rewards as far as giving you NFTs that you can then trade for currency in the crypto space. I'm not sure exactly how that works, and I'm not the most familiar with the crypto space itself. That's not really the main reason why I got this ring, but apparently they're setting up a way that you can get rewards by sharing your health data and doing certain things within the app, and you'll be able to unlock rewards as time goes on. So I think that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and pair the ring. In order to pair the ring, you have to have it in its charging box. So I just place the ring inside the box, and then I'm going to hit pair my Cudis ring. It says place your Cudis ring on the charger. That's what it's asking you to do, making sure Bluetooth is turned on and keeping your phone close to the ring. Now I'm going to hit find my ring. It's searching. There's my ring. I'll click on it. And then all I have to do is hit pair. And pairing is successful. Now my ring is set up with the app and linked to it. It says it's setting up my Cudis experience, and I'm all set. Like I mentioned before, here's a listing of my daily rewards. Since I haven't used the ring yet, there's nothing here as of right now, but it's something that I may work toward in the future depending on what kind of rewards you can unlock. Now I'm going to go into the AI coach. I'm going to activate it. I'll pick this coach. I'll allow them to access my wellness data, and I'll allow them to enable on-chain storage of my memory data. And I'll name the coach Coach V. I don't know why, but I just decided to do that. Hi, good morning. Good morning, Vision Swell. How are you feeling today? I am feeling okay. I'm glad to hear that. Is there anything specific you'd like to focus on for your wellness today? So I haven't played around with this much yet, but I just wanted to show you that it's an interactive AI chatbot, and it will absorb your health metrics and allow you to kind of make personalized plans and get personalized suggestions. So I think that's a really cool tool in and of itself. If I go back to the dashboard here, as you can see, it's really easy to set up and pair this ring. It's a good quality ring. The way it's constructed, it feels comfortable on my hand. And there's a lot of different options and ways that you can use this ring to track your own personal health, and it barely takes up any room at all. So I would suggest if you're interested in this ring that you take a look at it. I'm going to be playing around with it over the next few months and deciding whether or not it's something I want to use long term. But for now, I really like the overall experience. I like the app. I like the product itself, and it was packaged very professionally and nicely. So there's nothing bad I can say about it thus far. Thank you as always for watching my videos, and I really appreciate everyone who likes, comments, and subscribes. So please let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to review as far as health tech, and I'd love to do so. Take care, everyone.